Okay, so as you guys can tell, we have now at the drift track. Today's drift day. Shout out to the buddies, they rented out the whole track, so we're just gonna have fun. Really cold out here. And dude, this is an amazing track. We're at a place called Grange. And right now David's getting it. So we're gonna try to get some shots and hopefully he doesn't kill me. So yeah, that's happening today. I got the 530. Hopefully, all is well. The car does great because it's a 2-hour drive back home, and I'm on a really tight schedule because I'm supposed to do a lot of stuff. But as you can see, we're gonna have some fun today. That show is amazing. I got to show him. Alright, this is my first actual drift event. I'm a poser. I just act like I know what I'm doing, like always. Hello. Okay, I'm not gonna drift this big one because it's too big. But right here, alright, the little Scandinavian flick. Oh my gosh! You suck, bro! I think it's my front tires. I can't do shit. Okay, try again. Yeah, my front tires is just completely understeering. Okay, we do a clutch kick this time. Oh my gosh. Fuck. Bro, this is so hard to fucking drift. Yeah, I gotta get out of here. My front tires is no grip at all. I'm just understeering like crazy. So hopefully I can fix that and I'll be back in a little bit. Currently have an excuse because my dumbass had old tires in the front, which caused understeer, and then new tires in the back, which was really hard to brake. So
that's
put
my
those.
fault,
No worries, man. We're all fudged. So, we'll see if somehow I become a miracle driver right after this.
Yeah.
Check this out, though. Look how my exhaust is held on.
Nice.
Dude, drift car. We'll get back once I'm done, and then I'll show you in the car. We got some good cars here, so you guys gonna see some cool cars. David's been shredding.
This is my car right there. It's a piece of shit, but that's it.
Connecting every line, every dot.
My clutch about to break again.
No. Alright, fellas, we'll see you soon. Okay, so tires are switched. Let's see if it was the tires or if it was me. You hear that? Huh? Can you check that side?
Why?
Because some noise.
What the fuck? Are you hitting something?
I don't know. I think I'm probably hitting from the coilover, huh?
Probably. Oh, you don't have spacers, huh?
No, but
you're hitting
this side is good.
Yeah, you're hitting the coilover or something.
Hey. Well, it was rubbing because the rim was bent. I'm pretty sure you guys can hear me. But, oh fuck, it's rubbing again. But we're already in the track. Hey! Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. Dude, the car is like so easy to swing now. Let's try to do this corner. Oh! Scandinavian flick here. Oh gosh. Okay, what about right here? Oh yeah. Okay. hard right off to the track, bruh. This is actually really fun when the car's actually sliding. But it's kind of scary when you go a little fast, to be honest. Okay, one more time. David's coming. This is horrible, man.
Let's teach you some line.
All right. Hello, this is David, everybody.
What's up?
Should I just go ham and?
No, don't go ham. And just turn right, and then maybe more speed, and then clutch kick to the left.
Not so hard?
You just kind of didn't let off the gas right away.
Gotcha.
You kind of have to wait for it to glide and catch it.
Gotcha.
Then once you catch it, you get on the gas again.
This spot, I actually like this spot.
Yeah, this is a nice spot. So this one you want to be on the outermost side,
Yeah.
and then flick right, flick left.
Clutch kick?
Yep.
Horrible.
Clutch kick again. Go, 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 gas, 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 gas.
Woo! Fucking full send. Oh, just commit. All right, let's try to do this one again.
So left, right, left. Gas, 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 gas. All the way, clutch kick. Gas, more gas, more gas, more gas.
Oh shit!
Oh shit,
We
you
almost
almost
died.
there, dude.
Oh man!
When you see yourself going to the corner like that, don't ever like just let go or e-brake, because you're gonna go out. Like you wanna turn the car with the gas,
Yeah.
and make yourself point like the opposite direction. That way the car is pushing you away from the edge.
See, I was flooring it, dude.
Yeah, see how we didn't go off track though, even though you were flooring it?
Yeah. Hey, going to go drive in this. And as you can see, so as you guys can tell, that was my first time in an actual drift car. Shit was mad insane, dude. Shout out to Beam Team Brian and Axel. It was an amazing experience to be in that drive with them. I now know to wear a face shield because everything was flying in my eyes when we were freaking drifting. Other than that, the rest of the day had a lot of seat time. We rented out the whole track. Shout out to Xylon, happy birthday, dude. Honestly, after riding with these guys, I felt way more confident to full send it. But most importantly, it was a fun day with the homies. So throughout the whole day, I got more seat time, got more confident, start connecting S's, start connecting lines. is almost drift king now.
Hey, you made it!
Also, bad news. Fritz broke the car. My oil pan is cracked. I was supposed to go buy a slick top wagon in San Francisco. Can't do that now because the guy f***ed me and he sold the car. So, I mean, mixed emotions today. I'm not even sure how to really feel. I'm not even sure how I'm gonna get home, but for the most part, life happens, right? So yeah, thanks for watching. Bummed out. I was holding a secret. I was actually working really hard because I wanted to buy a wagon, a slick tuck like my old wagon. I had big plans for it. Turns out the guy sold it before I even go, which is funny because I showed him like I had a plane flight. Like, why would you even? Hey, this is mine. Which is funny is like, why would you sell it if you knew I already had a plane flight? So I lost $200. Oil pan's broken. I don't know what the fuck to do today. But good news, out of all this shenanigans and shit going on, the only good news is we're up to 5K. We're almost at 5K, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna hit 5K before the year's over. Thanks everybody, thank you. That cheers me up, you know, for the most part. I'm kind of bummed out, but when I think about next year, we're gonna start with 5,000 subscribers. I'm stoked. All right guys, I'm gonna find out how I'm gonna fix this. I don't even know if I'm gonna fix it. Loki just wanna leave the car. Get out of here. All right, so we are ready to go. This is what we're doing. 5:30. Fritz is sorry, everybody. We're towing this out of here. Grange. 5:30. Yeah. 5:30. Hi, Zylon.
Welcome to the drift life.
Fuck this, man. Okay, this is what's going on. We're good to go.